Hi, I'm Joanne. It's easy to print chapters from our Gooseberry Patch Circle of Friends cookbook. It's real easy. Come on, I'll show you how. Let's start from the Gooseberry Patch homepage. Go to the Circle of Friends drop-down menu and choose Circle of Friends Cookbook and find which recipes you'd like to print out, and then click the Print link. To print them out in high quality, you'll need to download them first. I'll take you through that step-by-step process in the How to Download video. To print them out in standard quality, which doesn't require you to download anything to your computer, just select which page you'd like to print, then follow your own printer's instructions. We suggest you print one page at a time to avoid long processing times. Really hope you enjoy these recipes. Please be sure to tell us which ones are your favorites. You can visit us on our Facebook page, blog, or Twitter. Thanks for watching.